Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much, my friend. I am the lot of videos provide my channel Teach SEO Pro. Total some guidelines and important point presentation my videos. Search engine optimization. My channel name is Teach SEO Pro. I can presentation the motivational space lot of videos provide my channel step by step short 1 to 10 minutes video provide my channel. Please thank you very much my all audience, my all viewers, my own friends, my all guides. The views my videos and my channel subscribe me. I am the new my new channel. I can practice then the my creating and teaching learning and education channel, my Teach SEO Pro channel. The friend, I am the short videos, important point the presentation my videos. This is the search and optimization. I total my videos, total videos, lot of videos. The important point, the search engine optimization, lot of categories. The search engine very important part at the under of digital marketing. Digital marketing, the best of the powerful marketing. Number one, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and social media marketing. I can provide my videos the short time, 10 minutes, 1 to 10 minutes videos they provide my channel. But SEO, search engine optimization, is a big platform the worldwide. The lot of work, the online platform, offline platform, your local market, international market, and other. How to lot of make money earn and lot of make money gain. The how to make money on this the online platform and search engine optimization skill gather him. You can one skill gather him how to earn money or online platform. There's SEO is search engine optimization is the best make money gain the online platform, international lot of companies website ranking number one rank Google top ranking and backlink search engine optimization lot of work in the international company, American company, Canadian company, European company, worldwide all companies online platform, the digital marketing the platform online market base. But you can study the lot of people the online platform uses the online marketplace. So friends, you can practice the one skill hand your business and one skill gain your business, your own business, small business, large business. The lot of people the you can choose the online marketplace must be the online platform and search engine optimization. But digital marketing is a big platform. The digital marketing best or the search engine optimization. Search engine optimization lot of categories. Search engine optimization, I can present my videos my channel around 50 videos. The shortest important point, the number one videos, what is the YouTube channel and what is the search engine optimization. Number two, second video, top search engine site the rank by popular Google and 37 USA based the search engine site top rank your website web page. Next videos, how to increase website and web page traffic with the search engine grow, and 25 or how to search engine success in Google on page, off page, and technical SEO. Next, search engine optimization important and e-commerce business. And next videos, how to can help your e-commerce and business SEO, important SEO, type of keyword to use search engine optimization e-commerce business. And next videos, how to use keyword gaps between competitor for SEO. Next video, search engine optimization and digital marketing strategy. The next video, search engine method, white hat SEO and black hat SEO, rank top Google using this method, white hat method. The next video, search engine optimization content is the king. High quality content and search engine content is a foundation of search engine. The next videos, the search engine optimization, the search engine link building, what is the link building and guide to link buildings and beginners. 9 OI, the search engine mobile friendly SEO and the mobile search engine optimization guide, the best effective. Next videos, the benefit of mobile search engine optimization and mobile optimize. The next videos, top search engine optimization and search engine benefit, digital marketing with mobile marketing and mobile marketing, 5 tip of mobile digital marketing. That I can present a lot of videos provide my channel. The thank you, best of luck my friend, all lot of thanks my all friends, my all audience, my all honorable viewers, the lot of thanks. Please subscribe my channel. I am new channel here. Please, your help needed my channel, your support needed. I am the any wrong, please, I am sorry for that, the any wrong of any videos is a mistake information. I hope that the all of viewers and all of audience, I am extremely sorry for that. But I am practiced than newly, I am newly YouTuber and newly channel create and teach search engine optimization. Any mistake is information. I am extremely sorry for that, my all friends, all honorable viewers and all audience, all guides. So friends, please, my every videos your comment by I am next videos the provide and information, correct information and this practical class. But my system and all videos, the practical and theoretical class presentation, my channel and my videos, by next videos all screen record and computer step by step guide, and that the total search engine optimization provide and how to make money, how to earn money online platform as like Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace and LinkedIn market and social media platform using the lot of make money on the search engine. But number one, or the search engine optimization earning for the Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace. So then the total guidelines, my search engine optimization and total some short times videos 1 to 10 minutes. But search engine optimization not a complete the videos not for 1 to 10 minutes, but minimum 1 hour or 2 hours total step by step and screen recording. My next videos in provide in my system. But I am newly YouTuber short time presentation, my important point, touches point and theoretical class and my lecture, my motivation, my class. Friend, I can next time the you can guide your comments and I am the perfect information presentation my videos. But the next videos, the next time, the please subscribe my channel. I request them and your valuable comment, like, share. Thank you, my friends. I can finishing my videos the some topics and search engine optimization is starting guides and the one blogs and reading now present my videos. The search engine optimization SEO start the guideline. Who is the guide for search engine optimization? If you own, manage, monetize and promote online content via Google search, then guide made for you. Your mind be the owner of growing and thriving business, the website owner and dozen site. The search engine optimization, especially in a web again and the search engine expert process about the maintain of search engine, the guide in the minds of you. If you interest in having the complete overs and guide main for you. The overview, the basic of search engine optimization according to our best practice. You are indeed in the right place. That guide won't provide any sectors they are automatically ranked your site. First is the Google. Google, the first, the number one search engine. Any businessman, small businessman, large businessman, any businessman create and choose the Google ranking page, the Google rank page. Our best practice, you're indeed the right place. The guides won't provide any sectors, those automatically rank your site first in Google. Following the best practice will helpful make it easy for search engine to index and understanding your content, your blogs, your website, your web page, etc. etc. The search engine optimization is obtained about making small modification to part of your website. When viewed individually, their change might seem like international improvement. But when combined with others optimization, they could have notification infect your site. Use the experience and performance in organic search engine result. I like already familiar with many the topics, the guide, basic, instant, including any web page. But you may not be making the most out of them. You should build a website to benefit your user to grade any optimization toward making the use experience better. One of those user is search engine which help others using discover your content. The search engine optimization is about helping search engine understanding and parents content. Your site may be smaller or larger and medium than our explained site and offer visuality defense content. But optimization traffic is this guide apply to site. All size the tribe who we hope your guide given you some finished idea on how it improve your website and wide love to this our question Facebook and successful story in that Google search. The grading start. The indexing. Google store all web page and is know about is indexing, index entry and each page discussion contain and local URL that page. Google feature and page reads in ad indexing. Google index several page on your website. Crawl. The process of looking for new update web page. Google discover URL by following link, by reading system sitemaps and by many others man. Google crawl the web looking for new page then indexing that will have applied. Crawler automatic software crawl refresh and page indexing them. Google board the guidelines name of Google crawl Google board web content. Search engine optimization SEO is the process of making site better for search engine earning. Also the job title, prescription, indexing and title, header title, description. Are you on Google? When you cite in Google indexing, don't cite search for your site home URL if you see result and the indexing for your complete search and there's etc. your niche, your website. If you cite it in Google, All throughout Google billion of page, it is invalid that some site will be missed. When you miss your site, it is frequency for of following reasons. This site comment connect from this site on web. You have just launching a new site on Google hands had time and cruel year. The design of this site make a difference for Google crawl and effective. Google receive and your crawl type and crawl your site. Your policy back Google from crawling this site. How do it get my site on Google? Google is finally automatic search engine that use crawl, explain web content, looking site and this indexing using need to the site. Google Chrome web page, Google search engine. Do you need a SEO expert? Your website, your web page, your business needed the SEO expert people review your site, content test, Google My Business, content development, manage your online business development campaign, keyword research, search engine training, and search engine tool, SEO tool, etc. etc. Search engine, hire search engine people. Google find and your content. Google which is page you're growing. And there's lot of information. I am shortly presentation my last motivation videos my channel. So thank you very much my all friend, my all guardian audience, my all viewers. Lot of thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Against to request them, please subscribe my channel, your viewers. Thank you very much watching my videos, and like, share, comment your valuable comment. Please comment your guideline. I can next videos trying the correct information presentation my videos. Thank you. Best of luck my all friends. I am extremely sorry for that any mistakes my videos, my old videos. I can promise the next videos proper guideline and screen recorded my computer step by step presentation my videos. Best of luck. Thank you very much my all honorable audience, my viewers, lovers audience, my beloved audience, beloved guides, beloved viewers. Thank you. Best of luck. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Best of luck.